how to speed up Windows 10 or 11 and fix lagging and slow issues. So if you want to fix or speed up your Windows 10 or 11 and fix your lagging or slow issues, then first thing you need to do is just right click on your taskbar and go with the task manager. Once you're under the task manager, you need to go with startup apps, and under startup apps, like if you have enabled any one of these applications, like under status, if you have anything enabled, then you just need to simply go and disable that. Like for example, I have the Discord update right here, which is enabled. You just need to simply go and disable it. Click on disable and then again go with the other application and disable everything. Once you've disabled, then your problem will be fixed. Your Windows 10 or 11 will not lag and it will not have the slow issues. And once you've done that, now the other thing you need to do is just go back and open up your system properties. Search for system properties or system configuration, which will take you to the system properties. Or you can also search for view advanced system settings, which will take you to the system properties, which is right here. Now, under your system properties, make sure that you're under the advanced section and you need to go with settings under your performance. And here you need to select adjust for best performance. And here on the bottom, you will have, for example, you have 5 things that you need to enable. So the first one is animations in the taskbar and save taskbar thumbnail previews. And the other one is show thumbnails. And the next one is show window contents while dragging. And the fifth one is smooth edges of screen fonts. And after that, go with apply and OK, and your problem may be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is go with the settings again under the performance and go with the advanced option. Under advanced, you will have virtual memory. Just go with change. And here you need to untick the option of automatically manage and just go with custom size. And here you need to enter your initial size and the maximum size. So Microsoft recommends that virtual memory should be set at no less than 1.5 times and no more than 3 times the amount of RAM on your computer. So you just need to simply adjust your size, your initial and maximum size according to the RAM on your computer. So if you don't have idea about that, how to have the initial and maximum size of memory, so what you need to do is just simply go with your settings, and under settings you need to go with system option. Under system, scroll all the way down, go with about, and under about you will have your installed RAM, in my case, which is 8 GB. So if I have 8 GB, I'll just go with an example of 8 GB. You need to open up your calculator. So once you open up your calculator, go with 8 into or multiplied by 1024. So if you have 4 GB, then you need to go with 4 into 1024 and you will get the answer of like this. So this is your RAM in MBs. So once you have your RAM in your MBs, now what you need to do is just go with 8192. So go with 8192 multiplied by 1.5, which gives the answer for initial size. So enter the initial size multiplied by 1.5. Now for the maximum size, you need to go with again 8192. Now you need to multiply it by 3, which gives you the maximum size. And after that, go with set and OK, apply, and your virtual memory will be created and it will speed up your Windows 10 or 11. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.